Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
What's up, y'all? So on today's episode on things we shouldn't do, but we gonna do anyway. I did some soldering on Elphaba. Put a new ESC in. Nothing was wrong with the old one. It's a 60 amp now. 6S capable. So I'm gonna see what this does on this watt meter real quick, and if the motor survives. It's still the stock motor. I'm thinking I might actually just buy a 5S battery, but you know what? It CGs with that 2200. Oh, something knocking. And it's late. Girlfriend sleeps, so I'm only gonna do this like once. And hopefully I don't regret it. Where did I put? There we go.
Low rates. Bombs away. Motor off.
I'm a little nervous, you guys. So more than anything, I don't know if the motor can take it. So let's see here. Before we do this, system setup. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna calibrate the ESC, but you know what? We don't need to do that yet.
Motor on.
Let's put this where it can be seen. Let me close this door. I know that's not going to keep all the sound out, but sweet Jesus.
Motor off.
That was 85 amps. Y'all, that strummed the strings of my guitar over there. That's gonna cook that motor. We're gonna Yo, so the 60 is not gonna be enough room for that particular setup. I'm still gonna run this 4S as it is, but I'm probably gonna order a 5S battery and send it and see how long that motor lasts. Y'all. Let's get the camera out because we shouldn't be doing this, but we're going to. All right. So I just put the free wings at the 28 something kV in there, so it's a lower kV than the stock motor, so we can maybe run this 6S. We're gonna see. So 72 amps versus 85. I'm willing to try that. Yeah. We're gonna try this thing on 6S because whoa, that sounds nasty. Yep, that'll do. Let's go ahead and take that off so we don't lose it in the air. So as long as we don't cook the motor or the ESC, we should be all right. right, left, down, up, right, left.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Woo. I did a little upgrade on it. It's running 6S when it's not supposed to. How you doing, brother?
Alright. Hey, you mind helping me launch this?
Oh, I got you. Here, let's see here.
Motor off.
Oh, yeah.
Just got an elevator and elevator.
There we go. Ready? Yes, sir. All right, coming up right behind you.
Motor on.
No, no, no. All right, I'm taking off, brother. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna land. All right, we're gonna go around again. It carries some speed. All right, landing, brother. We use the whole damn runway, but actually, oh, I'll take that. Oh, shit. Is it fixable, you think?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Yo, that was actually a pretty good flight. We're gonna see if we can check these temperatures. I don't know if I brought my thermometer, my little temp gun. Motor's only at 100 degrees after that. We'll see what the battery's looking like. That was actually, man, that was a 120C Z battery. This is the same Z's that I use on my Pilates. Dang, it actually handled that pretty well. I'm actually impressed. About 90 for the ESC. Well, heck yeah. It might be getting a little dark for me on to fly this one again, but I'm actually kind of impressed with that. Yeah.
How did it feel?
Actually felt really good. It's a little, I'll have to do some adjusting with like some of the CG and all that. Maybe move it back just a little bit more, because on that takeoff it was nothing, then we're up in the air. But otherwise it actually did really well. I was surprised. It was only what, a 2-minute flight though, not even. So 1 minute and 20 seconds, and it used a good chunk of the battery though.
Did it?
Yeah, I mean, it was enough. It probably could have done the 3 minutes, but it actually, and it's warm. Yeah. Shit, do I want to try it one more time? Yes and no. Time is it? Supposed to fly with Tim tomorrow too. Nope. I think I got that out of my system. It was like, that actually went pretty well. And I was, yeah. Y'all, we're gonna call it a night. Okay, bye. See y'all next time. Futura time. What's up, y'all? So on today's episode, well, continuation of things we shouldn't do, but we gonna do anyway. We're gonna try this on 6S some more. We got a practice flight in already. Let's see, throw this on my noggin. We got one test flight in yesterday. About a minute and a half. Temps were okay, felt good. So we're gonna try. We've got the tracker, excuse me, we got the tracker in, so we'll see the speeds that some people care about and some people don't. But more than anything, I'm gonna do some just basic flight, barrel rolls, so basic aerobatics, barrel rolls, loop, see what the vertical's like, and then of course takeoff and landing, we'll judge that. And depending on how I feel, how much time I got today, and how the winds are doing, I have the stock motor in this bag. I might throw it in and then do a couple more flights on 4S and see which one is better, to see if it's really worth doing all this mods for 6S. All right, let's have a good flight and safe landing.
Motor off.
Give these shades a quick wipe. There we go, so I can see more better.
Motor on.
Alright, because I don't want to do this too many times, because temperatures and all that. We make sure that tracker's tracking, and it was. Because I'll be forgetting to turn it on all the time. Alright. Ooh, wipe off my hands. Time to have some fun taking off. Yeah. That vertical is way better. And more to power out of loops. Yeah. I can already tell without testing back and forth the 4S of the stock motor, that was, I mean, for those loops, that was way better. All right, because we don't know how the temperatures and battery are gonna do.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That might be a one and done. In the grass. We don't want to suck up any dirt.
Motor off.
But it sounds like that motor might be struggling already. So it might be the case. I just need to put a different motor in there. But 6S is... whew. This is nice on 6S without even doing the 4S test. Yeah, it's worth it.
Motor off. Motor
Yeah, but that motor sounds like it's probably about done. Stop. Read. 101, not bad. Oh, we didn't do 722. We did kind of get up in the air. Oops. I did kind of do a vertical there. Oopsie. We're going to pretend that that was a 322 feet. But 101 miles an hour for this thing. There was a little bit of diving action. That's for the camera mount. Let's check these temperatures real quick. Where'd I put my thermometer? Hopefully I didn't leave it. There we go. All right. Woo, whoops. ESC is fine. About 92 degrees. I bet you this thing's gonna be toasty. No? 106, 108, 108, 19, 109. It's not as hot as I thought it was gonna be. I still don't know that this thing likes it. Because it sounds, it's making a different sound now after that flight. So I think they're gonna call it good for this one. I don't want to push my luck too far with this plane, because I just got enough footage for a complete video for the whole throw the 6S in and see if it's worth it or not. Definitely worth doing 6S for this thing, but do something better than that 2850 kV motor, that free wing that I put in there. Get something that's proper size for 6S. That's it for that one. I'll see y'all next time.